look like something you bought from Wish. I might pull a semi, bump at your lid. You verse me, better know you gone. Be top tier and it won't be long. I leveled up doing every song. Broke back then, but ignoring I'm on. To a lead, how to defeat the obsolete. Why they wanna leave, who's coming after me? Everything I write is a true, the masterpiece. See me on the shit, big gun like Master Chief. All my life, I've been on the grind like all my life. Who they wanna beat, but I'm still alright. Working straight through, I don't sleep all night. Moving the game and it got me on 10. They wanna doubt, I ain't talking again. Permanent one, I ain't keeping a friend. Severing ties, yo, this the end. Severing ties, yo, this the end. Calling the king, yo, this the end. I won't stop until they put me in a fucking grave. Level up, that's the motherfucking big lock on me, need no motive. Said that once, you know I wrote it. Won that chest if you want bullshit. Derek Rose, I'm done getting noted. They gon' hate me 6 for COVID. All my gun is speaking coded. Why you hate me, Agent Lotus? Got your bitch on knee, she throwed it. Straight to the top and I'll be right there. One of a kind and they know that I'm rare. Calling me king, but I wanted the air. Climbing the throne, yeah, I'm running the stairs. In a minute when I'm in it, going top 10. Man, I've been the one and I ain't settle for the option. When I'm in the scene with a team, know I lock in. Everybody know who I am when I walk in. All my life, I've been on the grind like all my life. Who they wanna beat, but I'm still alright. Working straight through, I don't sleep all night. Moving the game and it got me on 10. They wanna doubt, I ain't talking again. Permanent one, I ain't keeping a friend. Severing ties, yo, this